Now, 1-2 favourite Runaway Algo dismissed the small four-horse field to land the third running of the Caymanas Trophy, a graded stakes open allowance contest going over a mile at Caymanas Park. Runaway Algo had the measure of leaders I Am Fred and Outbidder out the gate and stalked them patiently. However, once jockey Radish Roman gave him his head, Runaway Algo kept going away from the rest of the field in impressive fashion to give Roman his 100th career win.
Wide, it's Runaway Algo in front. I Am Fred trying to get to Runaway Algo. Runaway Algo is fleet of foot and now kicks away by 3 lengths. I Am Fred has no answers to Runaway Algo. Coming to the furlong pole, it is Runaway Algo in front, about 4 lengths clear. Runaway Algo and the sneaky fox Radish Roman. He'll have his 100th career win. Radish Roman and Runaway Algo.
Now, the 4-year-old imported chestnut colt, conditioned by Dale Murphy, won in 1 minute 38 flat by all of 8 lengths. Racing continues on Sunday with the divided O&S Tack Room Trophy. First post for the 10-race card is 11:45 a.m. The SDC